Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your YouTube Shorts analytics. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for that, you will be needing to have this YouTube Studio tool. And whenever you want to manage your uh, content or to consult any performance of your content, you will be needing to go just to the YouTube Studio. So basically here, after opening your YouTube Studio, you will be seeing this analytic menu, content, community, and earnings. And basically here, you go to analytics. And all you need to do is just to start searching by content. And as you can see, those are the views, uh, watch time, subscribers, etc. Now we want to be going to the content, and here we want to start filtering by shorts. So basically here you will find only the analytics concerning your shorts. And from here you will have more control or more visibility uh, here or more vision on how your shorts are performing. So basically, those are how many shows to view, and as you can see, those are who swept out or swept away, and you can see how many times this reel has been shown in feed, and you can start like just reading the analytics from here. And you can see also the top shorts, etc., and you can simply see everything else. And whenever you want like to know more about the performance or how the earnings, you will be needing to see the reach, or you will need just to see the performance of your video and see how many RPM you will have on this video. So basically, this is how you can start checking your analytics of your YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.